Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about numericals related to chemical kinetics. Let's start. Numerical number 1. For the reaction R giving P, the concentration of reactant changes from 0.03 molar to 0.02 molar in 25 minutes. Calculate average rate of reaction. Okay, and in this problem the concentration change of reactant is given 0.03 to 0.02 and change in time is 25 minutes. Then how we can find out average rate in terms of reactant? Average rate is equal to minus delta R by delta T. Then minus delta R is change in concentration of reactant minus R2 minus R1 by T2 minus T1. Then R2. What is the value of R2 here? Let's see the concentration values, concentration of reactant in the question. 0.03 molar to 0.02 molar. So R2 is 0.02. Then initial concentration of reactant R1 is 0.03. So we can write minus 0.02 minus 0.03 divided by delta T, change in time, T2 minus T1. Okay, and change in time is directly given here 25 minutes. Okay, so we can write divide by 25. Then 0.02 minus 0.03, the value is negative 0.01. Okay, so for making it positive, for getting a positive value, we are adding a negative sign in the equation. Okay, average rate is equal to minus delta R by delta T. In terms of reactant, when we write rate in terms of reactant, we have to write a negative before the expression because the change in concentration value is always negative. So for making it positive, already there is a negative sign in the equation and the change in concentration is negative. Both the negative will cancel and become positive value. So we will get positive 0.01 divided by 25. Okay, what is 0.01 divided by 25? What is the value? 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. And the unit is moles per liter. The concentration unit is moles per liter, molarity. Then here 25 is given in minute, so per minute. So final answer is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter per minute. Clear? Numerical number 2. A first order reaction has rate constant is equal to 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 per second. How long will 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce 3 gram? Okay, first of all we can write the values given in the question. A first order reaction has rate constant equal to 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 per second. So K is equal to 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, rate constant K is equal to 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 per second. Then R0 initial concentration is equal to 5 gram. How long will 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce 3 gram? So from this point it's clear, initial concentration of reactant is equal to 5 gram. R is equal to 3 gram. Okay, concentration of reactant after a short time is equal to 3 gram. 5 gram to 3 gram. Initial concentration is 5 gram and the final concentration is 3 gram. So R0 is 5 gram and R is 3 gram. Then the question is how long. So we need to find out time. Okay, then already you learned the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. What is that equation? K is equal to, rate constant is equal to 2.303 by T log R0 by R. From this expression we can make an equation for calculating time. Time is equal to 2.303 by K log R0 by R. Then time is equal to 2.303 divided by K. The K value is 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here this star is used for indicating multiplication. Okay, 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Instead of that into, here you can see a star. Okay, here star indicate what? That into sign. Okay, 2.303 by 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 log R0 by R. Log R0 is 5 gram. So log 5 by 3, 5 gram by 3 gram. Then time is equal to 2.303 by 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 log 5 by 3. Log 5 by 3 is just like log A by B. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B. So log 5 by 3 equal to log 5 minus log 3. The next step, time is equal to 2.303 divided by 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then log 5 is equal to 0.6990 minus log 3 equal to 0.4771. Okay, and both values you can find out from logarithm table. Then time is equal to 2.303 divided by 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then 0.6990 minus 0.4771 is equal to 0.2219. Then after the complete calculation, we will get time is equal to 444 seconds. Okay, so 444 seconds will take to change 5 gram to 3 gram. That much of time is required to change the reactant concentration from 5 gram to 3 gram. How long means indicate time for the change. Clear? Numerical number 3. For a reaction A plus B gives product, the rate law is given by R is equal to K into A raised to 1 by 2, then concentration of B raised to 2. What is the order of the reaction? How we can calculate order from rate law? Order of a reaction is equal to sum of the powers of concentration terms in a rate law expression. Okay, so here rate law expression is R is equal to K into A raised to 1 by 2 B square. So what is the power of concentration term? The power of A is 1 by 2, power of B is 2. So add 1 by 2 plus 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 5 by 2 or equal to 2.5. Okay, so order of this reaction is 5 by